Welcome to the next episode about finance and banking. Money is important, we can all agree about it. But being able to talk about your finances accurately is a milestone, very important milestone in language learning. But we are not just going to talk about opening an account, a bank account. Today I want to give you 3 phrases to help you talk about your real life finances, about your planning, about your budget, like a pro. Welcome to the channel, in which during just a few minutes that I hope you're gonna find, I'm giving you useful phrases for your life. I've been using English in business for almost 30 years. And I would like to share with you what I've learned. So stay with me for just a few minutes and I'm gonna give you something you're gonna enjoy. Here comes the first phrase, the first bullet, to put money aside. It means to save some money for a certain purpose, a goal, or an emergency situation in life which can also happen. You can use this phrase when you're talking about your financial planning, saving for a house, or a vacation, for instance. Every month, I try to put a little money aside for my summer vacation. Or it's always a good idea to put some funds aside for an emergency medical expenses. So it means that you are saving some money regularly, a little bit, each month, each week, for future. Whether these are vacations that you are planning to have, or some unexpected expenses that may happen.
Every month, I try to put a little money aside for my summer vacation.
The second bullet, the second phrase, maybe not very nice one when you talk about it, when you think about it, but here it is, to cut back on spending. Which means that you spend less money than you normally do. You reduce the money you spend, or you reduce the consumption of non-essential items. You can use it when you are talking about your personal budget, or it happens to us from time to time, this financially tight month. For instance, we need to cut back on dining out if you want to afford a new car. Or the company is cutting back on travel expenses this quarter to save money.
The company is cutting back on travel expenses this quarter to save money.
And the third bullet, the third phrase, to break even. It means to reach a point where your losses equal profits, when your expenses equal incomes. It means that you didn't earn money, but you didn't lost it either. Which means that you are on zero, let's say. You can use it when you talk about your own business or corporate financing. For instance, my small company finally managed to break even after 6 months of operation. Or the concert tickets were expensive, but selling the extra ones allowed me to break even.
My small business finally managed to break even after 6 months of operation.
Okay, summing up, your financial toolkit. So we talk about putting some money aside for your goals, cutting back on something to stick to the budget, and about reaching a break-even point when you are not losing money, but you are not earning either. But remember, true wealth isn't just about the bank account. It's about the knowledge in your mind. By investing your time into mastering English, you are building an asset that will pay dividends for life. So I really hope you enjoyed the episode. I really hope you liked the phrases, the bullets. So share it with your family and friends and subscribe to the channel.